Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add page in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on menus and pages and you will find it right here. What you can do, by the way, okay, so if you want create a sub menu or something like that, you can create a sub page. Just for future that you can do, and it's like really effective. Then if you go with the home, it will be like sub page for it. Now just click here on add page and voila, you got it. You can rename it to, I don't know, services. Done. Okay, so, and now we have it. So we have our header design, we have footer that you can edit to whatever you want, to add logo here, to add menu here. It's really up to you. So now let's start. First, what you can do is just click add here, go with the strip and add this strip here. So we got our first here. We can change the strip background to color, I don't know, white. And now you can like what we offer, and you can just easily edit everything here, make it more prettier, etc. Right? Quite easy. You can also add, oh my god. Yep. So in header, okay, change header design. You can change the design if you want quite easily. Okay, again, you can add, where was it? Menu here, yep. So let's find it, click it here. Okay, we have it. Okay, save this version. And now you can go like manage menu. And we have it here, everything. So yeah, then, I don't know, you can just play around it and just have fun. Make whatever you want. So this is actually how we do it. And let's also like add here this one. Yep. And that's kind of it. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.